Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this Kaleido Cosmetics Skinluminate Superfine Luminous Blush Palette to try out. And I'm really excited to see how this is going to look on me because the colors look very pretty and they look like what I prefer to wear in blush tones. So it is the Coral Glow set. This is cruelty-free, vegan. It retails for $22, but I got it as part of my January 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which of course I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel. Let's get into this because I need to give some life and color back into my face. The packaging is, nothing all that exciting, but it does have a big mirror, which I really like, and big pan sizes. However, the blushes are very similar in color. So let's start out with some swatches. Ooh. I do like that they seem to have a little bit of like a sheen to them. And I love a glowy blush. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, that's the middle shade and it's a little bit more pink than I was expecting. Oh, wow. Okay, now that I see them swatched, they actually are pretty different in color. They just look a little bit more similar in the packaging. But, wow, I love the shiny finish. So here are what those swatches look like. They definitely seem pigmented too, so I'm going to try and go in with not too much. And because they are pigmented, I'm going to use more of a fluffy brush to apply it, even though this brush just jumped out of my hands and it doesn't want me to use it, I guess. I'm still going to go for it. And these two shades are what I like best. This one on the end where it's pink, it's just a little bit too pink for my skin tone. So I'm going to try this one on the end. I'm going to try and not pick up too much. Okay, maybe I can pick up a little more than that. It's okay. It doesn't look luminous or glowy on my skin. And the shade, it's just not really my favorite. It looks more like a sunburn than a sun kiss, is how I like to describe it. Like, I want my skin to have a little more of like a sun-kissed glow than a sunburned redness. And this is just coming across much more sunburn on me. And it's a little hard to blend. And I was hoping for a little bit more of that glow. Like, it has a little bit of that reflective finish, but it just is not very impressive to me right now. Next, on the other cheek, I'm going to go for the middle shade. Maybe this will be more of what I prefer. Okay, so it is looking a little bit more, I guess like a little bit more of a bronzy red. Yeah, actually, if you can see the difference between my cheeks, this kind of does show what I like to achieve more. Like, this doesn't give as much life to my skin, a little bit too pink and red. This, with the more orangey bronziness, gives more life, more sun-kissed effect to my face, and that's what I like. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that middle shade. It is buildable. Yeah, I like this one better. A little bit more flattering on my skin, and I do like the finish. It's not overly shiny, glowy, but it does give a little bit of reflection, which looks really nice, more of like a healthy glow effect. So I'm going to pick up more of that middle shade here to top off this side, since that's the shade I like a little better. Let's see how it looks on top. Still a little bit more red, but I like that a little more. It's too bad only one of the shades in here I actually am going to find myself wearing, the middle one. But it's all right. It's got a good amount of pigment for a blush. I like that it's buildable but not too intense at first. I like that it gives a little bit of healthy radiance to the skin, but I'm just not blown away by this. It's fine, just not my favorite blush, just mostly because of the color. And that's all personal preference, your personal skin tone. So this could look much more beautiful on other people's skin tones because the product itself, it's blendable, easy to apply. So I actually like the formulas, but I'm just so picky with my blush shades. But this definitely gave that life into my skin, which was very one color before I started this video. So I would love to hear in the comments down below how these shades worked on your skin, what you think of them. And of course, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.